Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a quick chia seed pudding recipe. Now this recipe is vegan, it's sugar-free, it's ketogenic, it's paleo, it's gluten-free, it's grain-free, and it makes for a good dessert, right? So I'm gonna talk about the ingredients one by one, a little bit about their benefits, because this is a nutrition channel, and then we'll get into the recipe, which will take less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. Now, this is the first ingredient. I have some chia seeds right here. This is about 20 grams, and chia seeds are a great vegan source of omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium. They're also a rich source of vitamin B1, vitamin B3, and also fiber. So they're a great addition to any diet, right? So this is our first ingredient. The second ingredient I have here is coconut cream, right? This is going to be my replacement for dairy. So we are using coconut cream. You can use coconut milk. Now coconut is also rich in iron, it's rich in magnesium, and it's rich in something known as medium chain triglycerides, MCTs. So that's the second ingredient, coconut cream or milk. If you want a dessert that's very creamy, go for coconut cream. If you're more concerned with the calories and the fat content, go for a lighter coconut milk, right? So that's the second ingredient. And the third ingredient here that I am using is erythritol. This is an alternative to sugar, right? So you can use whatever alternative that you like, whatever that is. I'm using erythritol because it usually has no aftertaste. A lot of sweeteners tend to have an aftertaste, so this one does not. And it is ketogenic. It barely has an impact on blood glucose levels. So I like erythritol the most. It's my favorite sugar alternative. If you are consuming sugar, you can go for something like maple syrup if you want a vegan option. If you're not vegan and you're okay with consuming honey, honey can also be added in replacement of erythritol or any other sugar, right? Coconut sugar, anything that you like. So let's get started with what to do. So we have 20 grams of chia seeds, about 50 ml of coconut cream. This is erythritol to my taste. It's about 1 teaspoon. And I have some water here as well because I don't want to use too much coconut cream. I'd rather dilute it with water. So that just helps keeping the dessert not so heavy, right? So what we're going to do is take a bowl, add the chia seeds, right? We're gonna go ahead and add the coconut milk, scoop out whatever is left in the bowl with a spoon if necessary. Then what I'm going to do is add the water, right? So you can use pure coconut cream or you can dilute it with water for a lighter option. And now I'm just gonna mix it together till the cream and the water and the chia seeds are all mixed up. So I've mixed them up now, and what I'm going to do is add the sweetener, right, the erythritol, and just scoop it out with a spoon if necessary. Just add the erythritol and then stir it up one more time to mix up the sweetener, right? We're just going to give it a stir, and that's it. Right, so we've mixed up all the ingredients, and what we're going to do now, you can leave it like this, but I prefer putting it in a cleaner bowl. So what I'm going to do is take a cleaner bowl and just pour it over, right? Whatever is left, scoop it out with a spoon. And what we're going to do with this mixture right here is put it in the fridge, right? Not the freezer, the refrigerator. And you can put this in for 3-4 hours, couple of hours at least, right? 2 hours at least, 3-4 hours. You can even leave it overnight. And what's going to happen is that the chia seeds are going to absorb the liquid and become soft and puffy. So it's a nice dessert to have if you're watching your weight or on a diet or just conscious, right? So I'm going to pop this in the fridge, and then I will show you guys what it looks like once it's ready. So this is the final version. I left this in the refrigerator for 4 hours, and after 4 hours it has a nice soft texture, creamy texture like this, and it's a good option if you are wanting something sweet, wanting to finish your meal with, but are on a ketogenic diet or another diet, or just very conscious about what you eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and now I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.